Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tres Jolie channel, or my channel. I am here with the August scrapbooking kit, and I'm just going to go over real quick what's in here. There is some Dusty Attic chipboard. It's ornate pendants. There is some Scrapaholics skeleton keys, some Scrapberries resin pieces here, three packs of Prima flowers and some Prima leaves, some Prima ephemera and stickers from Darcel, which is also, I believe both of these are Darcel. Pretty sure at least this one is, but they're close in color. And the Diva paper pack from AB Studio. Now this paper pack has just been haunting me. This is one of those paper packs where I love it so much I almost don't want to use it, but I'm pretty sure that's how I end up having hoarding problems. So I am going to use it. I'm going to cut into it, and I am going to work on a layout for the sketch challenge this month. I have gone through the papers multiple times by now, and I think I finally figured out what direction I'm going. I cut out this. This was that bonus page that was on the back side of the cover. That's where that came from. So I cut that out because I really have been wanting to use this since I first saw it. And then I just cut off about 4 inches from here, from that paper, and then I have this one. And I'm going to put it like so that my picture is going to line up with this larger pattern here, about like this, or maybe we'll see, maybe no, yeah, like that. I remember now. So be like that, and this, and then I'll start adding flowers. I've cut out some of the ones that were just the black and white ones. I'm still kind of working on the embellishments. I just have this started, but before I put everything together, I kind of want to make this top edge here not so straight, but I also don't want to tear it. So I'm going to use water, and I'm just going to use my board, or my cutting mat, as my base to sort of keep things lined up. I'm just going to get that top edge wet. Let it soak in some, just so that I can sort of squish it down in places, like so. Give it some wrinkling. And let's see if I can, I'll try to pull it up here real quick. See? Just to kind of give it a little bit of texture up there. It's almost completely dry. I didn't want it quite all the way dry yet. That way I would be able to make sure that it was glued down how I wanted. So I'm just going to grab up my glue and get these two pieces together. Now I think I'm just going to use this art anthology stencil. This is from my stash. And I'm just going to kind of put very, very, very sparse stenciling on with just my plain white texture paste. There we go. So I'm just going to put this on. I'm going to put this texture paste on, and I'm going to try to kind of try to get it so it'll come out just a bit. There, it's just real light. It doesn't really stand out. It's just really rather subtle in here, and it will go just underneath and come out in just a few areas from underneath this big cutout piece. Alright, to start, I'm just going to sort of tack this down in the center in case I want to tuck things around. Just like that. And now I can sort of start arranging what I've been thinking of. Okay, I think this is coming along in a way I'm liking. I backed my photo with some chipboard so that I can put it on top of those flowers without it sagging, give it some structure. But I also kind of want to prepare, I'm going to prepare a few of these chipboard pieces from the kit before I get going along too far. I have a couple keys here. I think I'm going to work on some of the ornament pieces. Let me see how exactly I'm going to do this. use some of these bigger ones. Use a couple of these smaller ones. So I'm going to prepare. I was just sort of looking. These are two Prima chalk inks, fluid chalk inks. Both of these are from previous Tres Jolie kits. This one was Worn Jeans, and it came from July 2019. And then I'm going to use some Tin Can, which was from April 2019. And I'm just going to sort of see how I can combine the colors. Kind of give them a aged metal bluish hue. Hopefully it comes out what's in my head. Alright, I think I have everything ready to go. Kind of have an idea of which way things are going to be headed. So I'm just going to start gluing things down, arranging them, and hope things come out the way they seem to be headed. Alright, my layout is done for this month's sketch challenge. This came from that Darcel pack of stickers and ephemera, and I thought it worked out for a good title. And I'll explain the picture now that I'm at the end. It's actually a photograph of, there we go, my grandmother and my mother. I obviously edited it and added those little sparkles there. And when I did it, I didn't know I was going to be using this picture, so it worked out for me that I had those going the right direction to go with the flowers there. Oh, I don't know if I ever showed this. See, there's that fine stenciling, thin stenciling, light. There's the stenciling that I did. The flowers. Those beautiful, beautiful pieces from AB Studios Diva. And all in all, it was a rather quick to go together layout. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it gave you some ideas of what can be done with items that are in this month's scrapbooking kit, and you know, how a different way of looking at the layout, even though I did basically, it has the same orientation and the clusters are in the same spot. So I hope this helps you and inspires you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you can see the projects from the other designers this month. And at the beginning of the month there's the reveal videos. And I will see you again soon.